dreadfully smelly. I'm highly sprung, and anything smelly is bad for my swerves. This is much better. But whatever is that rubbish? Woo! Look at me. I'm the latest diesel, highly sprung and right up to date. You won't need Thomas's Bumpy, Annie, and Clarabelle right now. Do they expect me to pull that? I won't. Percy can do it. He loves messing about with freight cars more than me. Told you. It's Fitter's orders. My Fitter's a very nice man. He comes every week and examines me carefully. Daisy, he says, never pull. You're highly sprung and pulling is bad for your swerves. So that's how it is. Feeble. Feeble? Let me... That's a good story. I'll just do what work I choose and no more.